Hello my dear viewers, good day, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me again, Evelia Sadullo. Today I will feature the work of my students, my SPG students in their miniature volcano project. Okay, please watch the video.